Hello and welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how can you make a field required if the form type is create. Just like if I open a record which is already there, and here as you can see that these are the required or mandatory field, and relation type is a simple field. So if I change it to anyone or I just don't select anything here, if I try to save it, I'm able to save it without any relationship type. But what if I try to create a new record, click on new. Now as you can see, the relationship type field is mandatory. So if I create a new account and try to save it, so in error that relationship type is a required field, it must be filled in. And if I select something here and then save it, so now I'm able to save the record. So we cannot achieve it via business rule. For that we are going to write down a JavaScript. So open our Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. Here we are going to write down a JavaScript function, function name, execution context. Then we will take form context, and then we will check if our form is create. For that we have a table where from we can check that which type of form and what is the value. So here you can say the form type is undefined, value is 0, create for 1, update values 2, for read only values 3, and disable for values 4. So we will check if our form type. So for that we have googled it, so it is giving us this. We will use this and we are doing it for form type create. So I'm taking 1. You can take either values, and then formContext.getAttribute, and here we are going to take the field name, open any record and go to level up to see the logical name of the field of relationship type. So this is the logical name. Copy this here and paste it here. And then for the set required, I also googled it. Where it is, set required level required, like this. And if our form type is not create type, then what we want, else form context dot get attribute similar, and this time we want it to be none, and then just save it. Click on save, go back to CRM Power Apps, click on new, more, web resource you want to add, file type is JavaScript. You have to choose the file, this one, click on open. This is our code, click on save. Before it, copy it. Now open our account form where we want to implement it. We want to implement in the main form of account, and we want it on load event, add library, this one, click on add and paste down the execution count function here. Pass execution context as first parameter, click on done and save and publish. Now go back and refresh it. So now as you can see that relationship type is non-mandatory here, and if I open and try to create a new record, now as you can see the relationship type is mandatory. If you open inspect, go to source, open our file here, and mark it. So if I reload the page, you could see that this JavaScript is loading. Okay, now it's coming under the form context type one, so it's coming here because it's getting form type equal to 1. Okay, so that's it from our video. If you like our content, please subscribe our channel and like our video, and if you have any doubt, please do leave a comment below. Thank you.